Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gulfport, Biloxi, Ocean Springs, Long Beach, Moss Point, St. Martin, Escatawpa, Gautier, D'Iberville, Latimer, Gulf Hills, Van Cleve, Gulf Park Estates, Hickory Hills, Wade, Helena, Big Point, Hurley, Lyman and Sauget. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 110 in Mississippi near mile marker 1, and between mile markers 3 and 4. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 20 and 76. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Harrison and Jackson. National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for George County in southeastern Mississippi.